Oh, because it's cold. Maybe seagulls instead. Oh, the water is high, sweetheart. High tide. Yeah, I know. High tide.
Not a good
Ooh,
idea.
I know we don't have no ducks in here. Okay, gonna take a little walk in there. Just
Like
take
the
a-
birds over there.
Oh yeah. Isn't it? Oh, they're feeding too.
Let's go feed this birdie. He looks hungry.
There's a crew. Ah, there's a bird. A little bird.
Wanna
Nah,
feed that birdie?
nah, flying away.
Oh,
There. We are looking for birds to feed.
let's see if there's ducks over
Okay. Ooh, we are feeding birds. Yeah, ducks. No, no ducks. I know. Well, it's nice. The water is nice. Usually people are fishing this area, but not today. Ooh, the breeze is cold though.
there. Yeah, let's go over there where all the birds are.
Okay.
But
Ooh, yeah, we are feeding the birds. Oh, don't go in there. Oh, they're coming. He wants to catch the birds. Oh, they're coming. Oh, that's the way that they go.
look at them.
Oh, they're coming. Oh, they're calling their friends. Oh, look. Oh, he's so excited. Oh, look. Pigeon. Oh, lots of birds here. Oh, he wants to catch. Oh, look. We are feeding the birds. Our little boy wants to catch the birds. You cannot catch the birds, my love. Just watch them. Oh, that's the way that they call the other birds. Ooh, the pigeons are very quick. Oh, look. Oh.
He's coming right behind us.
I know. Oh, lots of birds. Oh. He wants to catch his... Look at his face. Ay, oh. I cannot let go, my love. Ooh. Look. Ooh, he enjoys it. Oh, you like the birds? Oh, they are used to the people, so they are not scared. Oh, they are so close to us. I know he wants to. Oh, oh, they're so close. I cannot let go. I cannot let you go because we are near to the water. Look.
I feel like they'll eat right out of my hand.
Oh, yeah, just right in your hand. Oh, just right in your hand. Oh, just right in your hands with the pigeon. Oh, they are so close. Oh, oh, they're so close.
Go to the birdie, kid.
Oh, oh, like this. Oh, put that one, the finger in his head. Yeah, I know. Put in the finger in the head. The, the seagulls are more afraid to us. The pigeons are not, so they can eat more. Baby, what's he saying? Hi. He wants to catch the birds. We are near to the water.
Yeah, let go of your phone and take care. I'm worried he's gonna run into the water.
Tweet, tweet. Oh. Look at that. Run. I know he's so happy. Not near to the water. I'm just watching him not to go to the water. Woo! Ooh, lots of birds. Woo! Another pigeon, Papa. Yeah, pigeons. Oh, pigeons. Oh, pigeons, Papa. Woo! I really enjoy watching you enjoying the birds. Mm-hmm. Wow! Wow! Lots of them. You cannot catch the birds. Oh, I like the color. Black and white pigeon.
It's like a baby.
Oh, eating birds. Lots of pigeons. Lots of pigeons, no? What do you have? Ooh. I like a giggling noise, my love. I love the giggling noise. Woo. Oh, first time. Oh, look at that. Oh, they are so close to us. Oh, you're almost. Yeah. Hold him. Oh, come on. I mean, give me the bread, Papa. Give me the bread in my hand. Okay, okay. Look. Oh, Mama has the bread. Mama has the bread. See. Look. The bird is going to. No. Oh, give me that to the bird. Put that one in the bird. Give me that one to the bird. Okay. He wants to put that one in the bird's mouth. Woo! He really enjoys it, huh? Nice. Not in the water. Not near to the water. Go the other way. Go the other way. Give me that one to the bird. Give that to the bird. Throw it. Give. Throw it, give. Ooh, look at that. Wow. So many birds. Oh, so many pigeons. Not going to the water. Yeah, Mama is watching you. Not go in there. Not go in there because we are near to the water. Nice experience. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Look at that smile. Oh. He wants to catch one of them. You cannot catch them. They can fly. Oh. Okay, give that to the pigeon, to the bird. Okay. Yes, the little bird. Bread. Ooh. No, it's none in there. No, that's just a leaf. Okay, throw it to the bird. Oh, a squirrel. A squirrel wants to. Oh, right there. Oh. A squirrel, look. Give, a squirrel. Oh. Look.
Squirrel.
He wants to have one. Okay, give the squirrel too. Oh, give. Look at the squirrel give.
Keep an eye on him.
I know. Look, the squirrel is eating.